When it comes to home improvements, some upgrades provide more value than others. For homeowners in Fort Worth, window replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make. Not only does it enhance your home's curb appeal, but it also improves energy efficiency, boosts comfort, and even increases the overall value of your property. If you're considering whether new windows are worth the cost, here's why window replacement should be at the top of your list. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the biggest reasons to replace old windows is the potential for energy savings. Fort Worth's hot summers and chilly winters put a lot of strain on heating and cooling systems. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass or worn-out seals, allow air to escape and drafts to enter, making your HVAC system work harder than it needs to. This can lead to higher energy bills, especially during extreme weather. Modern windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like double-pane glass, gas-filled spaces between panes, and low-E coatings reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can reduce your energy consumption and potentially save hundreds of dollars annually on your utility bills. Over time, these savings will more than offset the initial cost of installation. Enhanced comfort and indoor climate control. Old, drafty windows can make your home uncomfortable, with temperature fluctuations that can leave certain rooms too hot or too cold. New windows offer better insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor climate. Whether you're looking to stay cool during a Fort Worth summer or warm during the winter, replacement windows can help maintain a more even temperature throughout your home, increasing your comfort year-round. Additionally, newer windows are often better at blocking outdoor noise. This means less disruption from traffic, construction, or nearby events, an important consideration for homeowners in busy areas of Fort Worth. Improved aesthetics and curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in the overall look of your home, both inside and out. Old, faded, or damaged windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and give it a dated appearance. By replacing them with new, stylish windows, you can immediately boost your home's visual appeal. With a variety of styles, colors, and materials available, window replacement allows you to choose an option that complements your home's design and enhances its architectural features. Whether you opt for classic double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or modern sliding windows, a new set of windows can breathe new life into your home's exterior. Increased home value. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, window replacement is a great way to increase its resale value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient, low-maintenance homes, and updated windows are a significant selling point. In fact, studies have shown that replacing windows can offer an impressive return on investment, ROI, of up to 70% to 80% of the project's cost. Potential buyers will also appreciate the added comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal of new windows, making your home more attractive in a competitive market like Fort Worth's. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to enhance your home's long-term value, window replacement is a smart, cost-effective upgrade. Better security and protection. in addition to aesthetic and energy benefits, new windows also provide improved security. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials, making them more difficult to break into. For homeowners in Fort Worth, this added security can provide peace of mind, especially for those living in areas with higher crime rates. New windows also offer better UV protection. Harmful UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time, but many replacement windows are designed to block a significant amount of UV radiation. This helps protect your belongings from sun damage and keeps your home looking fresh for longer. Low maintenance and durability. Old windows can require constant maintenance, with peeling paint, cracked frames, and broken seals. Newer window materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite, are low maintenance and highly durable. These materials are resistant to rot, warping, and fading, which means you won't need to spend time or money on frequent repairs or replacements. Additionally, the new technology in windows means they are designed to last for decades, making them a wise long-term investment for homeowners in Fort Worth. With proper care, your replacement windows can provide lasting performance and protection for your home. Conclusion. For Fort Worth homeowners, window replacement is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart, multifaceted investment. By improving energy efficiency, enhancing comfort, boosting curb appeal, increasing home value, and providing better security, new windows offer a wide range of benefits. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, improve your home's aesthetic, or increase its market value, window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to make a lasting improvement to your home, consider replacing your windows. It's a decision that pays off in the long run.